am a crop scout in western North Dakota. We just had a lot of severe weather over here, as well as in eastern North Dakota, where stuff probably looks a lot worse than it does in these few fields that we have that I'm going to show you guys. We had an EF1 tornado over in this area, and I don't think these fields were hit by the actual tornado, but it got the hail and the wind and the rain mostly that we got out of that storm. I'm just going to show you guys what this corn looks like. It could potentially bounce back, we don't know. And then also what the durum looks like across the street. You can kind of see where those collars were at. Yeah, yikes. Yeah. There's just a certain point at which corn comes out of the ground. If it hadn't hit that point yet, there's a chance that that growing point can still come back. But if the growing point was above the ground and it got hammered like this, there's not a good chance of it coming back. With wheat and durum and other small grains, not so lucky. So before I show you this durum, this was almost heading out. Like those boots were swelling, it was about to pop out. There were some heads that were popped out. And now it looks like this. And this is right across the street from that corn I just showed you guys. So even walking further into the field off the headland or off the approach, it's just rocked. So I am not the farmer that farms these fields. I just help look at the fields to make recommendations for spray, make sure there's no diseases, pests and stuff like that. And those fields are now totaled. Insurance will hopefully do its job. I'm not sure what that looks like on that end of things for that, but hopefully maybe we'll see some of this corn come back. So I'm not sure how widespread this kind of damage was over on the west side of the state, but over on the east side of North Dakota, they had a very wide stretch that got a derecho level storm, basically like category 3 or 4 hurricane on land. They had like 14 tornadoes touch down over there. 3 people lost their lives, unfortunately. And that severe weather is just part of something that everybody deals with in different forms. That's just kind of what it looks like around here. I'm sure there's so many others that have it way worse with totaled bins, totaled fields, houses, and everything like that. So you guys are my thoughts and prayers, and I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like.